I got a bite.
Yep. Get him. Get him. Get him.
There we go. Got one. There we go. That feels.
Ooh,
oh my.
Really nice.
What's going on, everybody? Dom here, back at it with another episode. Today, we're out on the lake. If you didn't know already, we're ice fishing. I didn't originally film an intro because I didn't think we were gonna catch anything, but we're doing pretty good. We have 4 perch, definitely better than last video or a couple videos ago. But we've been catching them on jigs with wax worms, so it's really basic for ice fishing. So yeah, definitely a basic rig for ice fishing. But right now we're out local lake, and we've never had good luck here before. But right when we came, we got some perch, and I caught my PV perch through the ice. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and hopefully we catch some more. Stay tuned and enjoy. Alright guys, we just got out on the ice. We are going to be doing a little bit of jigging. Got this rod already, just drilled a few holes. So we're just gonna grab the Vex and hope for the best here. Stay tuned. It's a little breezy also, so sorry in advance. Get going here. Actually, oh my gosh. No way. No way. No way. We just got set up, guys. That's a good one too. Should I grab the, you want a nice picture with that? That's actually a big one. I can grab the big camera if you want. Okay. That's a good one though.
Yeah. Fun one.
Yeah.
You just hit it.
Were you just setting it up, or?
Yeah, I just got it down.
Dude, that's actually a nice perch.
Yeah. A bunch of those would be good eating.
Yeah.
Get the release.
Nice. You're killing me this year. 2 perch to nothing.
So I got the chartreuse and white little teardrop with the waxy.
Nice.
No sooner did I get her down to about the bottom, he was on. No, making no mistake. It's deep. It's got to be at least 7 feet right here.
That's awesome. Wow, that is a good start. All right, let's drop down. Let's see if we can get on one.
Land him here, bud.
Oh my gosh, dude. What? Dang. You got another one. You getting bites still?
I had a third bite and I put it back down after that second fish, but now what depth do you got here?
20 feet.
20?
Like 15 to 20.
Navionics shows we're right at the edge of, it should be like 7 according to nav.
15. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's definitely a fish.
Yep.
Nice, nice. There we go. There we go.
Here, you.
Nice, dude. There we go. Dude, this is fun. When you can actually... Oh, dude, there's more down there. Look at that.
Get him.
Oh, man. Not a good time, ice rod. Oh, look at that. There's one coming for it.
spot on.
I got a bite.
Yep. Get him. Get him. Get him.
There we go. Got one. There we go. That feels.
Ooh,
Oh my!
Really nice one.
Let's go, guys.
Let's take a pic of that.
All right, let's go. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a good. That's
Yes.
A fun perch.
Yes. Yeah. Watch it. Watch.
He's chubby.
There we go, guys. Check that out. Look at that beauty.
Nice.
That's actually a big one. Let's get him back. Oh, come on, buddy. Turn around. Turn around. Get down there. There we go. Oh, that was a nice one,
All right,
dude.
let's catch them while they're still there.
You can get down there. I'm kind of tangled up in this ice. That was a nice one.
That was really nice.
Dude, now I can see why ice fishing is fun. And now I can see why I'm freezing.
Yeah, the water's cold.
Guys, just got on the first ice fish of the season. This is definitely kind of luck, cause we're not exactly the greatest at ice fishing, but once you find them, it's definitely pretty easy and fun. So stay tuned. Hopefully we catch some more. All right, guys. I don't know if you saw how big that perch was. The GoPro definitely doesn't do it justice. I'll pop a picture up right now. Didn't take a picture with the big camera because the sled was super far away, but definitely a solid fish. My PB, in fact, through the ice. It looked really huge in person. I'm not gonna lie. The GoPro, like I said, doesn't do it justice, but hopefully we catch some more. Maybe do a little hole hopping. It's been a little slow since then. It's been about 15 minutes, just giving you guys an update. Like I said, I was using the Woods Bucket Mouth Baits jig, which is my company. So if you want to snag one of those, guys, definitely feel free to pick one up. It'd help me out a lot. And I'll show you guys that jig now, actually. So hold on just 1 second. But I caught that with a jig and a wax worm. And that's all we're doing. We're just jigging, hole hopping and stuff, hoping we can get on some perch, crappies, bluegills, maybe even a stray bass. So hopefully we do that. Stay tuned. Oh, man. Oh, dude. Dude, you just got nailed. Oh, gosh. This thing just got smoked. Oh, it's on. It's on. Got him. Look at that. Little perch. There we go. Oh.
You had to run for that one.
Yeah. I'm just gonna set him down. I gotta take my gloves off. Oh, there we go. Second one of the day for me. Not a bad one.
Nope, solid.
I just saw the rod go thump.
I'm glad you were looking. I was
Yeah.
goofing around with mine.
I didn't even know if he was still on. Nice little perch. Get a release on him. Really? There he goes. See you later, buddy. There we go.
Alright. I got the waxies, so we'll reload.
Oh gosh. Just putting the camera away, I'm just like,
Nice job.
did.